What if you had an AI assistant that understood all the contracts that matter to your business and that could focus your attention on the things that matter most, such as which deadlines do you have coming up? What's my vendor concentration? Are there any contracts I need to be renegotiating? Are there any obligations that I might be missing or need to be more on top of? Or helping you analyze contracts or optimize your Contracko setup? Well, meet Clara AI. Clara is the AI assistant that is present throughout the application. Here's how she works. You can chat with her, upload files, or leave a voice note. Let me demonstrate. Let's ask Clara for a daily briefing. Give me a daily briefing. What Clara will do is it will look for upcoming expirations, notice periods, notifications and events, and suggest next steps. This is a great way to start. Another prompt that you might ask is, okay, well, are there any contracts that are about to expire? As you can see, we suggest sensible defaults in all the chat interfaces with Clara. And Clara is lightning fast. Additionally, Clara can have contextual conversations about contracts. So while you can view AI analyses on a contract itself, you can open a chat with Clara, and here Clara will have all the context and know that you are viewing this contract. For example, we can ask her to summarize the obligations and risks of this contract. She's going to do that. Here you are. She'll summarize, identify key obligations, main risks, and where to focus. Now, Clara can do everything that you can do in the interface. And that makes conversational management of your contracts possible and makes updating, let's say, obligations or notifications or associating files to contracts incredibly easy. You can also investigate things like vendor or customer concentration, which is really helpful when you go to produce reports. Or you could collaborate with Clara to generate contract types for contracts that you often deal with. You can view Clara as your in-house legal counsel, and it really makes working with Contracko a lot easier, and I feel like it goes miles beyond using a Copilot or ChatGPT or Gemini, where you might upload an individual file. We're really excited to see what you do with this and are eager to hear your feedback. Now, one more comment about security. So we use state-of-the-art models by providers like OpenAI or Google Gemini, who do not model train on your data based on the commercial API agreements. Additionally, wherever possible, we negotiate zero data retention policies, which means that they do not retain any data on their servers longer than necessary to just process the requests that they're getting. So that means your data is always sovereign and secure.